In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. We have tons of resources for you to check out before we jump into the video in the description of this video, so go and check that out. Alright, so first thing is first, if you want to add a YouTube or Instagram link, this first part of the video is for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our profile, bottom right. Then next to our name, you'll see edit. Click on that. And here in the edit tab, what we want to do is click on links. And you'll see here Instagram and YouTube. You just click on those, paste your link. Easy. Okay, now let's say you want to paste any other link. What you need to do is go to the top right to the hamburger icon. Click on settings and privacy. Click on account. Click on switch to business account. You want to click on next. And just keep on clicking on it until you've passed everything here. All right, so now you just need to choose a category. And when you're done, click next. You can add your business email or your email. All right, so now we are technically done, but you do need to actually register. So right now we're just on a trial. And you can just click on the agreement over here and then click on get started. Now, I won't be carrying on with that because I am not a business. But when you are done filling out your business info, just click on edit, click on links again. And now you'll see you have a website section and you can click on there and paste a link to your website. Unfortunately, it's only for business accounts though, so if you switch back to personal, it will be gone. Kind of annoying. But anyways, guys, tons of awesome links in the description of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.